Jamaica Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce aims to impress the world once more again in Paris in a few hours' time. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So Jamaica Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is set to shine again for Jamaica as she competes in a race in Paris in a few hours' time. At age 35 years old, two-time Olympic 100-meter champion, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has done it all. But she still hasn't finished, and her appearance at the Wada Diamond League meeting in Paris on Saturday will represent another significant step in her campaign to defend her World 100-meter title in Oregon next month. Jamaican Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is the only Jamaican down to compete at that meet. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has established her name in the world list and has done so well for her country. Her Jamaican counterpart and twice successor as Olympic 100-meter champion, Elaine Thompson-Herah, has since made a good start to pursuit of a first individual world title with the best 10.79 on the Eugene track that staged the World Athletics Championship in Oregon 2022. But now Fraser-Pryce is back to make another impression in top-level competition at the meeting in Paris on the Blue Ultra track, which was renovated back in 2019. Today she'll be taking on some talented sprinters, and we here just want to wish her the best in her future endeavors and hope that she wave the flag of Jamaica high in this race. But as you know, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has been doing her thing for many years now, and she's one of those Jamaican athletes that has been doing so well over the many years of her illustrious career. And I can tell you that she's one of those forces to be reckoned with. She continues to shine. She still continues to wave the flag of Jamaica. And we just want to wish her all the best in her future endeavors. And even in this race today, it's going to be a highly contested race. But I know that Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce have what it takes to deliver a stellar performance as she always do. And without a doubt in my mind, I believe that in this Wada Diamond League race today, slated for Paris, that she will perform to the best of her ability. And I can tell you that this is going to be one of those top level performances that we have been waiting for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, as she do continue to be one of those athletes that still dominate the tracks even after giving birth to her son. Many believe that she would have faded away, but trust me, she's still one of those forces to be reckoned with as she continues to dominate the 100 meter, the 200 meter, and I can tell you it's just as if she keep on getting faster and faster as she get older. But much love goes out to Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Much respect to all the other athletes as well who have performed so immensely great over the years and continue to represent Jamaica, their land of birth. And we here just want to support them and continue to cherish those special moments that they would have shared on the tracks to make their country and the world proud. This is where we're going to leave this though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll have a later report to come on this just after the race. So peace out, bless, much respect goes out to you the viewers for always continuing to be a part of the Links 007 TV family. Have a blessed and productive day.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.